What's up, guys? Another day, another W. Final array state after k multiplication operations 1. You're given an integer array nums, an integer k, an integer multiplier. You need to perform k operations on nums in each operation. Find the minimum value x in nums. If there are multiple occurrences of the minimum, select the first. Replace the selected minimum x with x times multiplier. Return the array denoting the final state. Okay. All right, so basically I'm gonna have the ands, and I'm gonna less than k, right? And I'm gonna have n, which is the length of nums, right? So I'm gonna loop through this. I'm gonna push everything into ands right now. I'm gonna push everything into ands right now. Everything nums of j. All right, so we're gonna say something like min index or something, and we're gonna have another j less than n. So if as of j is equal to the minimum, right? So n, we're gonna say min index is j. I'm gonna break out of this, and now we're gonna say as of j is equal to as of j times multiplier right? And I'm just gonna reassign this new stuff to nums. It's gonna be as of j. It's gonna be as of j, and then I'm gonna say as of clear, and I'm gonna return, and the answer should be in nums. As of min index. Okay, misspelled it here. Time memory limit exceeded. Memory limit exceeded. Okay, if it exceeds memory limit, then I guess I could just do min index, right? Or whatever. I'm gonna do inject it 0 j less than n j plus plus. If nums of j is equal to min element nums dot begin nums dot end, I'm gonna say min index go to J and I'm gonna break. Alright, and I'm gonna say nums of min index is equal to nums of min index times multiplier or something. Yeah, that works, or it seems to. Let's see. Okay, guys, there we go. There we go. So, yeah, this works. We got accepted, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching this one as well. I love you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a nice Monday, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Another day, another W.